Utility webbing. This strapping is water resistant and won't stretch like nylon does. Suitable for outdoor use, this heavyweight webbing is a must-have when camping, boating, rafting and more. UV and FADE resistant polypropylene webbing is made from thermoplastic resins. The material is resistant to moisture, acids, oil and grease. It even has some ability to float on water. Wide variety of uses. Strapworks polypropylene webbing is tough with a tensile break strength of 1,200 pounds. It measures 0.06 in thickness and is available in a variety of vibrant colors. Easy to work with, this flexible webbing is easy to manipulate and sew. Made with a tight weave, it's tough and aesthetically pleasing. Use this polypro strapping for crafts, gear repair, and more. World leader in straps, Strapworks is a family-owned company based in Eugene, Oregon. We have been producing the highest quality straps, webbing, tie-downs and more since 1976. Item width, 360.0 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Strong and durable. These straps are excellent quality. I can't imagine anything tearing them, really. They are super strong, a great thickness and extra durable. I use them in several outdoor applications and they hold up great even in the elements. I had to adjust our sunshade cover and I used this to reinforce the corners that I had to take in. Very easy to sew as well, photo attached. The colors aren't exactly how I expected them to be, so I've attached a photo of some of the colors I tried as well. The khaki is a kind of gold/mustard yellow, which actually was a decent match to my very mustard Y sunshade, and the tan is a medium brown. The white is a true white. Overall, I'm very pleased with the quality, durability and price, and I would recommend this product. Wish they had even more colors so I could use them in more applications.